So it's a pleasure for us. It's a blessing for us to be part of this because we went through different things through this process to become good at this. And now we are helping the community to do it the right way, to do it the safe way, to be successful in this industry.
I actually got a little bit of practice in today, and it was really exciting, and it opened my mind to just let me know that a lot of opportunities are in this here.
Everybody's really excited to be here and really want to learn, and
pleasantly surprised at the energy of the group, the number of people here attending, the ability to get information, the quick example of how well they can be the drones can be flown by people who've never flown them before.
I know a lot of people may look at the actual drone as a toy, but having the skill to be able to operate one, there's just so much that you could do.
There's a lot happening this month. Don't miss out. Visit NorthMiamiTech.com and get involved today.